We are Cyberbot Teams. I am Yusuf Ali Bey and I am 40 years old.
And I am Yasir Ali Bey and I am 12 years old.
We are from Algeria and we live in Blida.
We are pupils at middle school.
Our team tries to find smart solutions for important problems around the world. So, our Slart Drop of the theme Climate Action and Responsible Consumption.
Let's get started!
So, the water problems are popular around the world. Many families don't know how much water they use or if the water is clean. Water tanks can run empty without warning and dirty water can go unnoticed. In buildings, people on higher floors often don't get enough water because of low pressure. Also, leaks and waste happen every day without anyone knowing. This causes unfair water use, stress, and a big waste of precious resource. The world population keeps growing and our environment faces more pressure. Taking care of our planet has become more important than ever. The United Nations created the Sustainable Development Goals to help the world work together for a better future. Goal 12 is about using resources wisely, reducing waste and make smart choices in how we produce and consume things. Goal 13 asks us to take strong action against climate changes by cutting pollution, preparing for climate risk and finding smart solutions. One key resource connects both of the goals. The water is very important for life, but it's running out in many places. If we waste it, we harm the both of people and the planet. Managing water in a smart and fair way is part of the solution. That's why we create the Slart Drop. So, our project is smart solution for these water problems. It's divided into two parts.
The first part is detect water level and quality and send SMS alerts when the water level is low or dirty, and we use dashboard for detect leaks.
The second part is water distribution based on households. The government determines the water supply for each house based on number of people living there and control water pressure using a servo motor. And there is a dashboard that displays water level, water quality, and a graph that detects any water leaks.
We used to build this project ESP32, breadboard, ultrasonic sensor, water flow sensor, servo motor, water pump, LCD, turbidity sensor, Arduino Uno, and keyboard. We asked 42% if they live this problem. 9.5% say no, but 90.5% say yes. There is 1 out of 6 of people in the world receive unsafe water. Households can waste up to 180 liters per day due to leaks. Contaminated water causes 485,000 deaths per year. 4.2 billion people leaks safely managed water supply.
So, this is our project, the Slart Drop. And this is the building that has the two parts of our project. As we can see, the second part, the water distribution based on households and control water pressure on the first floor to help the water reaching the third floor. Now we will enter number of series, then the password, then number of people living there. We will take 2 as an example. As you can see, the water supply is 150 liters. Now the blue water sensor start calculating the water supply of the house. The water is reaching the first floor, but the water is not reaching the third floor. So we will now the servo water rotate and diminuate the pressure of the water supply of the first floor. Now we will wait to the final level. We used to build the second part, keyboard 384, LCD, servo motor, water sensor, Arduino, and battery. Now the water is close to reaching the final level, and the servo water will close the water supply of the first floor, and the water is started reaching the third floor. As we can see now, this is the first part of our project. It will detect water level and quality and send SMS alert when the water level is low or dirty. As we can see, the water level is below 7 centimeter, means the water is low. And there is a dashboard, as we can see here, that display water level, water quality, and the graph that the record water level per an hour to help the user detect any leak. We will it says the site to see that is working. See, here we can see that JSON is connected, and here we can see the date and the time. Here the water starts going upper, and the site web display it. And we can also see it through a phone or a tablet. This is the code that we use in PictoBlox to build our project and the words. Now we will see the code of the first part. As we can see here, this is the code of the first part using PictoBlox.
Now we are trying to develop our project to be better.
So, with your support, we can solve the water problem around the world in general and Algeria specifically. Thank you for your watching, thank you for your time, see you in other, and goodbye.
Goodbye.